everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today's video is called The Influencer Got Influence. So as you know, I do a lot of unboxings and try-ons, and there's things that I send back for a reason, and some of you sometimes give me suggestions, and then other times I watch other YouTubers unbox and I decide to get the items that they have. So today I got a couple things. I'm sorry, I forgot who suggested these, but in my last trunk club, I returned some Madewell gold hoops. So somebody commented, and I appreciate it, told me to look into Amazon, the Pavoy gold-plated earrings. So I did. So I went on Amazon, and it's Pavoy, P-A-V-O-I, earrings, and I just did a search on that, and they had all sorts of gold-plated earrings, and I'm kind of picky about my gold. I need it to look like real gold, and because these are gold-plated, I think they do. And supposedly they're sterling silver underneath, all right? And I paid less than $15 for these. So they're just a basic, slightly larger hoop. They do have a little bit of weight to them, but nothing too crazy. I do like them. They're just a basic hoop. And to show you, I brought down all my hoops so you can get an idea of what I have, so you can understand why I was looking for these, all right? So this is my basic gold hoop that I have now. Look at the difference in size in them. They're very different in size, and these are 14 karat gold that I probably had for about 20 years. I love these earrings, but they're not really a big statement earring. And not that these are huge or anything, but these are 20 millimeters, just in case you were wondering. I don't know what size these are, but obviously much, much smaller. All right, so I have those. I got these, which are not, they're hoop shaped, but they're filigree, so they're very different. I have these tiny little things that I had since I was like a teenager. They're almost like a Huggy, all right? So again, nothing like this hoop earring. I have these that a friend gave me. They're a horseshoe shaped, right? And these are all gold except for the filigree ones. And that's it for gold earrings. So this fills a hole in my wardrobe or my jewelry box, and they were less than $15, all right? I will try them on for you, just make sure there's nothing funky or wrong with them, but they seem like a very good quality earring. So thank you, whoever suggested that. They're the Pavoy, P-A-V-O-I, 14 karat yellow gold plated 925 earrings, 25 millimeters, less than $15. I'll put my links below so you can get an idea. And I highly recommend so far that name brand. They seem to have so many different earrings that looked and anything like that quality. I'm going to be buying more. Next up, Laura from Little Box of Happy always raves about these half camis. And, summer is approaching, and I have a lot of tops that are either sheer or the V-neck is a little bit too low cut, and I need some sort of coverage, right? So I ordered these camis. They're just basic camis, black, all right, white, and then like, I guess what they call a nude color for those that are Caucasian, all right? These camis are 95% cotton, 5% spandex. The only downside is they only came in a small, medium, large, and unfortunately they're probably gonna be a little bit loose on me, but it's okay. I'm going to keep them, all right? And I'm going to spell this out, B-O-A-O, crop cami. And for the three of them, it was like less than, I think it was $16.99 or $17. And again, don't quote me on the price because Amazon prices change all the time. Again, I'll put it in my links below, but I stole this from Laura from Little Box of Happy, all right? So that's it. Then next up is a try before you buy. Tips and tails. I was watching her video and she got this in her entire box. She didn't purchase it on her own. I think she had a stylist send. This is the Sugar Lips Eyelet Cami. Right now it's for less than $25. It is, I believe it's 100% cotton on the outside. On the inside, the lining, because it is fully lined, it's rayon, all right? It's really cute. It's got this eyelet little tank sleeves. I did get it in an extra small. I'm gonna have to try this on. This looks to me short and wide. And again, I did this try before you buy. So it seems very wide to me and very cropped. So I will try it on to see how it fits me, but my try before you buy is ready to be going back, so I need to get moving on that. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna throw these pieces on so you can get an idea. Okay, so first I just put on the cami for sizing. It's not on now, but I just threw on for sizing and it fits. So I think they do run small. If you are in between sizes, I would definitely say size up on the cami, okay? Because they only have the small, medium, large. Other than that, get your true size. So the tank top, all right, this is kind of cute. And just note that I'm wearing white jeans, and obviously they're two different color whites. So this is not like a pure white like the jeans are. And I think, I'm gonna have to look back at the footage, I think it's pretty bra friendly. I mean, my straps might poke out here and there, but I don't think it's that bad, and I might be able to get away with wearing a bra with this, all right? So if that's the case, I'm gonna look back at the footage, but if that's the case, this is a keeper, all right? This is the back of it, all right? And I do have this eyelet top that's kind of similar, but as you see, it's not bra friendly, and it's a peplum style, and it has ruching in the back. This is cute, and I really like this, but this is like more for like a dressier occasion, like when I want to go out to dinner or a nice thing. Whereas this, I feel I can throw on with a pair of shorts, a pair of jean shorts, and have this be a nice, loose, comfortable, airy tank. So I'm gonna look back at the footage to make sure it looks okay, but I'm thinking this might be a keeper. Again, it was Sugar Lips, and it was less than $25 when, you know, I did the try before you buy. I don't know what it's gonna be when you look, all right? The earrings, I think they're also a keeper. I'm pretty happy with them. They're just a pair of basic gold hoops. And like I said, I'm generally kind of picky about my gold and the color that it shows, because I don't like it to look that orangey color. I want it to look like real gold. And because these are gold plated, I believe they do look like real gold to me. And they're, like I said, it was less than $15. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. Take care. Until next time.